The new form tools in InDesign CS6 can help you create great-looking form fields inside your layout without having to rely on Acrobat's form recognition tools or a lot of manual work after you export a PDF. So you can definitely get better form results faster with these new tools. But you should be aware that there are some limitations. These tools don't fully replace Acrobat, and you can't yet do a full end-to-end forms workflow with just InDesign. For example, people using Adobe Reader won't be able to save their data in the forms you export from InDesign unless you enable rights to do so using Acrobat. Another limitation to be aware of is that you can't export to Adobe DPS or to HTML and have the forms you create in InDesign work in those outputs. In most cases, you're still going to need a workflow where you start your form work in InDesign and then you or someone else finishes building the full functionality in Acrobat. If you're interested in learning more about working with PDF forms in Acrobat, I recommend you check out Claudia McHugh's Acrobat 10 Creating Forms in the lynda.com online training library. So what can you actually do with InDesign's form tools? Well, you can design great-looking forms with functioning text fields, radio buttons, checkboxes, and signature fields. You can also make buttons that can be used to print the form or submit it via email. And in the cases of checkboxes and radio buttons, you can also create custom on, off, and hover states to improve your form's appearance and usability. Here's an example of a form that I built completely in InDesign, and it has text fields that I can click in and fill in data. I can tab over to other fields. It has checkboxes that I can select. It has list boxes that I can pick from. Some more checkboxes, radio buttons, text fields, and signature fields. It also has buttons to print the form and submit it via email. So with InDesign CS6, for the first time, you may be able to accomplish the bulk of your form workflow in InDesign. So let's get started building some forms.